Wanted to take a quick look at a good alternative for cleaning if you're looking for a disinfectant. Right now, Microban 24 can be purchased on Walmart.com. Normally, it is available on Amazon too, but we purchased this particular one from Walmart because we needed just another sanitizing solution to use, not just on bathrooms. I think this can be used in a lot of places. I think you wouldn't want to use this in a kitchen because it's not food safe, but just because it says for bathrooms doesn't mean that it can only be used in a bathroom, because it is a little bit harder on surfaces. So what are some of the good things about this? It does claim to keep killing bacteria for up to 24 hours. That's an interesting claim because I'm not sure. That's a pretty hard claim to actually accomplish. It seems like most of the active ingredients in this are just some form of ammonium, and then there's citric acid. So citric acid may be the only residual cleaner, maybe the only residual active ingredient that actually stays on the surface and could potentially, I'm assuming that's where they're talking about the residual effect, because the ammonium, those are going to evaporate over time. Those are not going to stay on the surface. So there's some amount of a surfactant, or aka a soap, in here. And then there's several types of ammonium, and then there's citric acid, and citric acid could stay on your surface and have some sort of residual effect. It does claim to be able to sanitize fairly quickly. It says 10 seconds. However, for non-porous surfaces, it says let stand 5 minutes and allow to air dry. So I think that's a safe bet. If you need this to actually do what it's asking for, kill herpes virus, influenza, H1N1, E. coli, it's probably a safe bet that you do need to spray this on and let it air dry. Now, when you do let it air dry, you're going to find that it leaves lots of streaks. You'll find that if that does dry on there, we're going to have streaks all over this table. You also get to enjoy the pleasant scent along with breathing in the ammonium that's now evaporating off of there. So I think this is a good sanitizer. It has multiple active ingredients and maybe even somewhat of a residual effect. It normally goes, I think, let's see, it's out of stock right now, but it's normally $4, for a single container of this cleaner. So hope that helps you decide whether or not this is something you want to use in your home or in your business long term. Put your questions and comments and whatever we didn't say right, and if you know which chemical produces the residual effect that Microban has, that can kill bacteria and viruses up to 24 hours, then post that information in the comments. And if you have links to actual data, that's all useful information. Thank you.